Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Account Manager private server. First, you'll need to download and install the application from its official source. Once installed, open it and begin adding your Roblox accounts. You can typically manage up to 10 different accounts, ensuring each is correctly authenticated. Familiarize yourself with the user-friendly interface, which allows for quick navigation and account switching, making your private server experience much smoother from the very beginning. Creating a private server is straightforward. Select the desired Roblox game within the manager, then click the option to create a new private server. You'll then be prompted to configure various settings, such as setting a player limit, perhaps for up to 12 participants, and defining who can join. You can invite specific accounts you manage or send invitations to your friends, ensuring only your chosen group can access your exclusive gaming space. Once inside your private server, the account manager truly shines. You can effortlessly switch between your various Roblox accounts with just a few clicks, allowing for dynamic gameplay and multi-account interactions. Keep an eye on each account's status and activity directly from the manager's dashboard. Some advanced features even allow for automated actions or group management, which can be incredibly useful for coordinating complex scenarios or large-scale projects within your private world. To ensure a smooth experience, always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords for each Roblox account. If you encounter issues like connection errors or accounts not synchronizing, try restarting the application or checking your internet connection. Optimizing your computer's resources, perhaps by closing unnecessary background programs, can also significantly improve performance, providing a more enjoyable and stable private server environment for all your managed accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.